defending. My man, muthola uface iteka kwa. The poles asemuva kwakho. Why umkurasha? Unnecessary free kick. Ay suka. Skakaka. Unnecessary free kick. Bayenzani? Bathatha ibhola bayakora. Because why? Wakurasha. Khulu. Uyitrack. Uchayisa bana baba. Wamona Mateo ufedile lwena utomchayisa. Now let's go to the free kick. The keeper made a mistake. When you are a goalkeeper, you don't assume ukuthi free kick izoshawa ubani. No, you look at the ball. You just look at the ball. You don't assume ukuthi free kick izoshawa umuntu okhahlela ka right. Angithi, this is the wall. Now, ibonda lime ngapha. Okay, let me play it. Nakha. Phakathi. Inside. A great free kick. Mara, goalkeeper. Warjis. Goalkeeper Warjis. Think fast forward. I want the angle from the keeper's side, or the keeper's view. Goalkeeper Warjis. Take it back. Watch the keeper. Let's start with the keeper. Watch the keeper. He moves to his left. Totally wrong. You don't do that. You must never do that. This is the wall of it. This is the wall. If the ball jumps over the wall, then bese bayakora. It's not your fault as a keeper. It's a good free kick. Angithi you're supposed to protect this side. If they hit the ball to this side and then balshayela top corner, then sizoshuthi I know, bakushayile. But you move slightly this side, balshayela, and you even touch the ball, then it's your fault. Why do you move to the left? Largis,